makeup vlog today. So pagas po muna tayo sa Shell and then papasok na kami sa Intramuros going to Mapua. Ayun na nga, andito na kami sa may Mapua. Then mag-set up muna kami ng gamit. At ito na nga pa ang final setup na. For today's vlog is Mr. and Miss Cardinals 2025 Mapua. And na ako mag-makeup, foundation, translucent, then nose line, and eyebrows. Then in-interview na siya ng FFCA and for the glam look. Ayan. And after interview, nag-shoot na kami. Then ito na start na production nila and dance. Napakilala ko siya. And then in her swimsuit outfit, then third look na. Ayan, nag-start, mag-retouch na ako. Photoshoot. And ito po ang outfit niya. At last look for the gown. After ng gown, start mag-question and answer. Here's the question and winning answer of Thea Abanico to get the crown of Mr. and Miss Mapua 2025.
What inspired me to join this competition is my advocacy. As a mental health advocate, I have been experiencing and also witnessed a lot of people who have struggled with mental health. And with my voice and with this platform, I could utilize and initiate such programs such as peer support groups and also to create workshops for people to create counseling or free counseling for students. And I believe that with that type of initiative, we could form not only that academe that creates Mapuans that are successful through their education, but also develops them with their personal and well-rounded mind. Thank you.
And ang partner niya rin po ay nanalo ng Mr. Mapua. And si Thea po ang nag-title sa Miss Mapua. Crowning moment. Then first walk. And photoshoot na kami dito para sa kanyang bagong corona this year. And done. Tapos na kami. Bye-bye guys. Pauwi na kami. Bye!